Night moves. Got my nothing to lose at night moves. So there's a bit I did. It's kind of a culmination of moments with my mother. Basically, it's me as a kid waking up sleepy-eyed. It's early in the morning. It's in the wintertime, so it's dark out. I sit down. My mom greets me. She's like, "How did you sleep?" I'm like, "I'm still tired, Mama." She says, "Well, did you wash your hands?" Wash my hands? Why would I need to wash my hands? I've been sleeping. "Son, you could have been digging in your butt all night." I'm like, what? So then I go wash my hands. And I come back and she's like, "Are you ready for breakfast?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm ready for breakfast." "Do you want puffed wheat or puffed rice? Or I have hot rice." I'll take hot rice since it's cold out. "Okay, I only have diet margarine because I'm on a diet." It's like, oh my God, this is terrible. "Better get going, you're gonna be late for school." Oh shit. Fuck school after this, Jesus Christ. Anyways, dropping off late, working, hooker on a bicycle. And there's her pimp slash boyfriend slash hair holder. So we're gonna be scouting around for some more foam tonight. So what was there? Remember, kids, you yield to oncoming traffic. So whoever's exiting the freeway, they have the right of way. And nobody's coming, so I yielded. Get over. I'm in the truck, magic truck. Me and Sherry in a magical truck. It's a truck, magic truck. Can't believe how many packages we did today. That was great.
How many?
I don't know. I don't keep count. It's like asking me how many hot dogs I've had in my life. Like, you just keep eating the hot dogs. Just put the hot dogs in your mouth. Swallow. Makes a turd. Doesn't matter what you eat, it's gonna make a turd. That's how it goes. So there was no Sunday sermon. I don't know how loud this is. We'll find out later. No Sunday sermon. I wanted to talk about judging a book by its cover. So there was some guy that he got all mad because I talked about people with tattoos, and the guy's like, "I make $100,000 a year." It's like, that's the point, asshole, is that you think that making money makes you a success in spite of your tattoos. Like, stop getting tattoos. They're dumb. They serve no purpose. The only purpose they might serve is if you're Tongan, right? Samoan, that culture. Asian Pacific Islanders, as I've been reminded a million times on Hulu this month. Jesus Christ. Like, oh, I didn't know that guy was Asian. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, The Rock? Yeah, I guess, yeah, he's Asian Pacific Islander. Yeah. So, but, yeah, don't judge a book by its cover. That's what they always say, right? But then, you know, the guy with the Black Widow neck tattoo, that says a lot, right? Picture says 1,000 words. It's a lot of words. What was it? I get treated not so great myself. You know, I wear black or gray basketball shorts every day. Not the same pair. That's gross. But and then a black t-shirt. That's it. That's my outfit. That's my Einstein outfit. I don't want to think about anything. It just wants to be comfortable. And when I'm a movie director, that's what I'm going to wear too. So sometimes when I go to a fancy restaurant or just even upper crust, I get judged, and then the server is like, especially when we split an appetizer, and I'm like, I'm splitting a $30 fucking entree, like fuck off. So, and it's like, this could feed 4 people, and we're just 2 fatties eating, so this is plenty. But you know, some servers are just idiots, and you know, like when you give them, you know, like let's say $100 bill to break, and then they come back with like just 10s and 20s, you're like, you're a dick, you know, and that makes me want to just leave no tip. And I was a food server for many years, and a busboy at like Angus, and I know better than that. And you got to treat people nice, man. Treat people like the way you want to be treated, and then they still treat you like shit. I remember one time my dad came in to Black Angus, and I was the busboy, and I guess it was the lights. He didn't see me, and he didn't recognize my voice. So, but like I stood there and I was like, "Sir, would you like some more water?" Give him some more water. How about now? Would you like some more water? And he's like, "No, I'm fine. I'm fine." He's trying to have a, you know, important business conversation, and then I'm like, "Would you like me to clean your glasses, sir?" And he's like, "Who the fuck is?" "Oh, hey, little buddy." I was like, "Oh, son of a bitch! This motherfucker don't even recognize me. Jesus Christ." "Oh, you're so big and tall now." Dad was kind of a hillbilly. He'd say "tall it," shit like that. Warsh. He's from Kentucky. So I gotta start with the QT. What was it? Don't judge a book by its cover. I'm not saying do that. I'm saying fucking judge those books, right? Like, you know, nothing but fucking hamsters drive those Kia Souls. You know, fuck those people. You know, little shitty cars. Fuck them. Don't, you know. I mean, you don't have to be mean to people. Just, you know, don't give them the benefit of the doubt. That's all. I mean, you don't have to assume the worst about them, but you certainly, you know. It's like a snake. It's like, you stay over there. Be a good neighbor. Stay over there. So, but, I don't know. There's a bunch of other stuff I wanted to talk about, but I'll do it later after I've masturbated. My mind is calm. All the evil spirits are out of my balls. Love you guys. Later.